One of the most underrepresented ways to get more people, more clients, to expose your brand to different communities is to ask referrals from your existing clients. And many people never even think about it. The interesting part, many of your clients already admire you. They're happy to work with you. They're happy with the results which they get. That's why they are more than willing to not only pay for your next products, but also invite people to the products which they used already. Invite people, recommend this thing. So ask for referrals from your existing clients always.